welcome back to Hosted by Krissy. Spring has definitely sprung at my Dollar Tree store. Today I want to share with you some items that I picked up during a quick trip to Dollar Tree. And most of the items will be used for DIY projects at a later date, which I'll also share with you on future videos. Once you see these items, you're going to want to run out to Dollar Tree to pick them up, I guarantee you. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first. I picked up this adorable vase. It's just a regular little glass vase, but it's new to my Dollar Tree. You can see the little hobnail at the bottom, the little hobnail kind of embossed. I thought it was so adorable, and I think it's going to be a really cute addition to my vase collection, and it's a nice size. It's not too small and it's not too big. Next, I also picked up some decorative stones. I have the white ones, and I'll be using these in a DIY project, and this is just such a great buy. And I also picked up the larger black stones, and in addition to those, in the same aisle, I got some floral decorations. I have a tablescape video coming up at about March 19th, so stay tuned for that. And I'm sure you'll see these somewhere in that tablescape. I also grabbed, I'm going to show you all my floral-ish items first. I also grabbed a few more of the faux cactus or succulents, but these are all cactus or cacti. And these are all a little bit different. That one's got the little baby with it. Then I have this one that has the larger needles, and then this one here. And some of this stuff I'll use outside if our snow ever melts. So I'm creating like a little, kind of a little fairy garden for my deck. And I have this super cute house. These are great deals, guys, because at Big Lots, these are like $5 and $6, and even more at Michael's. So I have this little, it's like a little table with two little chairs made out of tree, all made from like little mock tree stumps. Can you see that one? And I got, of course, the little welcome gate. And last but not least, this adorable, adorable little bridge. Isn't that cute? So that's it for those items. Now we're going to move on to, I have a garden dish. This one, it's plastic, but I think it's good quality, and when I clean it up and actually get my plants in here, I can guarantee you it's going to look a lot more expensive than just a plastic dish. I also grabbed just a little glass bowl. These come in a couple different sizes. This one is the larger size. And a votive holder. These come in 3 sizes as well. This is the taller one, and I don't think there's a size on here. Sorry, but they don't have a size on there, like the length and the height. But this is the taller one, so I'll do it like that. See, it's about the same height as the vase here. And I also got in the glass aisle this adorable little candy dish. Thought that was cute, and I love the lid on it. And oh, I did get one more florally thing. I just got some Spanish moss, just 1 bag of that. And this adorable little sign, I'm just all about these little decorative signs and plaques, and I like to make them too. This one says, "Spring is in the air," and it definitely is. It's just not coming fast enough here. And last but not least, if you've watched any of my videos in the past, I've mentioned that my husband and I are, one of our favorite pastimes is cycling. So kind of long distance cycling. The most that I think we've ever done is like 36 miles one way. So 72 round trip. But I thought these would come in handy. These are just like drawstring little backpacks that you can wear, and they have like the reflective fabric on the front. So I bought one red one, and I need a blue one because my bike is white with red and black, and his is blue with gray. So I have to find a blue one that has the reflective fabric on it. Now you guys, I do have a DIY challenge video that's up right now. So if you enjoy creating DIY projects, this challenge is going to be so much fun. I've had so many people commit to it, and I'm really hoping that you'll join me in it. I would love for it to be huge so that we can all share and get some ideas. The weather's kind of cruddy out right now, so why not spend some time creating something that you'll love? And I really do hope that you'll join me. I'll link the video down below and also in the cards here and at the end of the video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below along with the little bell so that you get notifications. Also, make sure you like and leave comments below too. I really appreciate those, and I always respond to them. Thanks again, and feel free to share the video along with the DIY challenge video that'll be linked to this one if you or know of anyone that is interested in creating. Thanks again. Take care.